What's up, everybody? If you want to optimize your memorization and enhance your ability to retain information, here is a tip that is a bit unconventional that will blow your minds. Vary the places that you study. Conventional wisdom suggests that you should find the same place to study each and every night and stick to that routine. But research has shown to the contrary. In order to maximize your abilities, you want to vary your study locations. A University of Michigan study found that students that varied their placement of studying ended up retaining a list of words 21% more efficiently and effectively than a control group that studied in the same place. To maximize the effect of varied study locations, make sure to pick locations that are dramatically different in terms of look and feel. Those additional cues and stimuli will help your brain make better and stronger connections in long-term memory. If you want to get the most out of your study sessions, make sure to check out my video on optimal study session length. It will blow your mind. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.